Hello guys, yes, welcome to my channel. I must be crazy. I'm here early up Sunday morning. It's even still not 8 o'clock. I wake up before 7 o'clock and I'm here in garage. I should be home sleeping now. Well, I'm here for you this time. I've been trying to show you guys what I'm doing here, and therefore I did decide just to come here early and try to make a little bit work on my scooter and actually show what I'm doing here. Well, what I'm doing here is particularly this. I don't know how well you can see this, but this is like a drawing of electricity. Actually, this is what I'm doing. I'm converting the electricity on my scooter for to be partially DC and partially AC, or to be fully DC. The problem I did run into was pretty simple. Let's see. This was my problem. I did want to add these two LED lights on my scooter, but it's not like I didn't have enough juice for it. That was not totally the problem. I actually did have enough juice for it, but the juice for this light was incorrect current. Most of the electricity on my scooter is AC current, but for this light I needed a DC current. But the problem with my scooter, it only create like 2 amperes on a DC. That's about 25 watts. So to make this happen and make this work, I have to make a lot of conversion on my scooter. And I was thinking of just getting another regulator, make some modification on the stator that I have. Then I did start to make some research on both here on YouTube, on Google, and like that, and find out it would simply just be easier to get a new stator and get a new CDI, and therefore I was able to get a better regulator. So that was my end result. Now I have a stator that is fully DC. I did get me a CDI, DC CDI, and as well a new regulator. But my small problem is now I'm still waiting for the regulator, but I already have my stator and I have this CDI. But what I'm now working on this conversion is like I have to make a lot of rewiring because of a little bit different connection for the CDI. I have to make change on the emergency switch, emergency stop. I have to make change on how the ignition key shut down this CDI. I have to rewire the power cutoff for the CDI on the side kickstander, and yeah, things like that. Yes, and as well I need to make sure that the wires from the stators go directly to the regulator, and from there it goes to all the electricity and the battery and like that. That's simple what I'm working on this time. I will make some video of that as best as I can, but as you know, I'm not the super best on making videos like that, but I will try my best. But this is the status as it is now, and yeah, I hope you understand what I'm doing, and this is one of the reasons I haven't been recording anything for a good time or making any motovlog or anything. It's simply my scooter been sitting here in the garage for since in August, September, and as well earlier in the last spring it was even sitting here for a long time broken. But there is one new thing I want to share with you that I did get for my scooter this time, and I'm a little bit like preparing for the winter. So just a moment guys, just a moment. So this is what I'm getting. You see, this is real tire for the winter. They are super expensive, but what do you not do? What do you not do? Yes guys, this is what I'm working on. I hope I will be able to make some video of this. I will make some updates on the process, how things is going, but my next work is to figure out for the emergency switch how I'm going to make it work, so it will work in properly way, not in opposite way. But if it will work in the opposite way, then that's how it will be. But I need to make some change on the wiring for it, because as it connected now, then it take X voltage or ground connect something in somehow, some way, in some way that I don't like. But this time I have to have it in very specific way. So I will update you later on what I'm doing. Let's go on and work on this scooter now.